What? All right. Hey, what can I do? It's another car edition. Again, here in NJ. It's the weekend, so guess what's happening? Raining again. What can I tell you? Yesterday, though, we had a beautiful day. Got the boys out to play some baseball. But here we are. Popeyes. You know, the battle still continues for the chicken sandwich. Popeyes, KFC. I know Chick-fil-A tries to slide in there. You know, it always changes, however they change it. So now, Popeyes has the spicy TRUFF chicken sandwich. So apparently this TRUFF is a kind of a condiment. So it's a spicy mayo made by this TRUFF. And the spicy mayo is this black winter truffles and red jalapenos. The hell kind of foodie am I? I didn't even know there was red jalapeno. I thought there was just green. So here we go. Let's see what kind of spice level this kicks to. Popeyes spicy TRUFF chicken sandwich. You got it right here. Limited time in their signature bag. Let's see what we got, baby. It is like absolute chaos in there, but what can I do? And it also comes with their barrel-cured pickles and toasted bun. Okay, here we go. I saw it already. Here we go. Watch it. Watch it. You got it? There it is. Look at that. Look at that, baby. Wow. Nice schmear. I like it. God, looks like they got both sides there hitting me on both angles. We got the pickles over there. Decent. I don't know. I've had thicker pieces of, no, that's not bad. That ain't bad. All right, here we go. I don't know where to attack this at. I'm going to go right in. Man, smells interesting. Here we go. Yeah, I'm going right in, baby. Chicken sandwich, as always, very solid. Moist. The TRUFF sauce, 0% spice. This isn't spicy. That's what it says, right? I mean, spicy TRUFF chicken sandwich. This is not spicy. It's tasty. It's actually very tasty. But they're advertising it as spicy. This is not spicy. You can give this to an infant and he'll laugh at you. This is not spicy at all. Very tasty. Very, very tasty. I would probably get it again. But if you're looking for spice, this is not it. Spice is like I said, I'll dip this spice in a child's pacifier and jam it in his mouth. And he'll laugh at me. He'll be like, ooh, this is pretty good. So, man, this is tough. I have to rate this, being that they're saying it's a spicy sauce. So I'm in a real tough predicament here. It's good, but it's not spicy. So, Popeyes, what are you doing to me here? You're putting me in a bad place. Wow. I can't even go double score. I can't even say spicy level, how's they're advertising it, plus the taste of the... Oh. All right. Spicy TRUFF chicken sandwich getting a 6.1. What can I do? It's not spicy. It's very good. It's not spicy one iota. Napkins. I guess they know that I'm an animale. But what can I do? For a fast food chain, probably in the top right here. Look at that. Their mac and cheese is so on point. Look at this. You got that? I mean, you got that or what, baby? I mean, this is like... The fast food mac and chain level. Mac and cheese is 9.2 all day long, baby. That's that. I don't know. I thought I was going to burn my tongue off. Fooled you, Popeyes. You fooled me. Sneaky, sneaky. That's it, everybody, man. I'll see you next time.